are sorry to interrupt this program, but a local emergency is underway. Please stand by for description. There are now several reports that a rather strange explosion may have occurred somewhere in the New York metro. Only shortly afterwards, the power grid almost immediately went offline, not just in New York itself, but several other areas within at least a 30, 35, or possibly even 40-mile radius. Why this happened isn't known at this time, and no other information is available. Please stay tuned to WNJA for further details. We interrupt this program at the request of the New Jersey Governor's Office. This is WNJA. This station was requested to discontinue all regular programming for an indefinite period of time because of an emergency. This is a civil emergency message. Further information will follow in 30 seconds. This is WNJA News. We received some rather unsettling information only a few minutes ago. This is the message that follows. A nuclear bomb may or may not have exploded in or near the city of Philadelphia. The report indicated that at 2:38 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a massive explosion was reported from a location in Butler County, Pennsylvania. While it isn't known if such an impact actually occurred, it seems that no communication was able to reach the area afterwards. But until this is confirmed, either one way or the other, no panic is warranted at this time. Rather, it is recommended that you continue to monitor local TV and radio broadcasts for news and official updates. WNJA will continue to serve the central New Jersey viewing area. Please continue to stay tuned to WNJA for news and official updates.